Let him run, let him run, let him run. Ah! You had it the whole time. Dang it. You see those two? Swam through. Okay, rod tip low and to the right. Just kind of swing her out. Reel, 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 reel. See if you can get her head high and I can put it. Nope, running. Low and to the left. Let her go, let her go, let her go. Good. Come up front just in case she goes under. Oh, reel, 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 reel. Can you? No. Get her up. Get her up. Get her up. Get her up. In the net. We're going to put that anchor down. We're going to swing hard, so be careful. Flies out of her. Come on back here and we'll get a shot. Reel, reel, reel. I don't think we're going to bring him up that way yet, but we might. You're moving. Rod low and to the left. Get him away from these big rocks. Come on, fish. Reel, 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 reel. Don't try to lift him yet. Bring him that way. Get out from under. Come back. Under the engine? Yes, we are. Oh, you stupid fish. Go up to the front. There we go. Alright. Got it. Shoot. That's a power in those heads. Just so much power. Alright. Reel. Get a little tension. Alright, we're doing this one right. Walk to the front of the boat. Keep it low. Hold on, hold on, hold on. He's coming this way. Did he go around it or under it? Alright, we're good. Man, we're having trouble with this damn boat today. I haven't seen this many fish go by the... I haven't seen this many go by the boat all season combined. I doubt we're going to lift it. Well, that's a nice fish. Oh, if we can reach him. Nope, nope. No. No. I thought he went.
Piker that way. They'll tire out, and as soon as they see the boat, they freak out and take off.
A lot of times pike will freak out in the boat. Be ready. Don't point that rod at him like that. Fish. There we go. That way, that way. Oh, almost that way. Low, 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 low. Keep reeling, keep reeling, keep reeling. Nice and steady to the right now. Be ready for him to run, though. A little more oomph. There we go. A little more oomph. Bingo.